In the early 2010s, a silent threat emerged. Graphene oxide, claimed by March 2, 2025 to lurk in vaccines, air via chemtrails, water and food. History pivots in 2021. Alternative voices, sans mainstream proof, flagged it in COVID shots, tied to DARPA's hydrogel patents. Picture jets dusting skies, 5G towers pulsing from 2019, amplifying electromagnetic frequencies. EMF labs buzzed. Graphene, they said, oxidizes under EMF, mimicking COVID's toll, fatigue, lung woes. No consensus backs this, yet the narrative grew. It's in PCR swabs, masks, tracking us via nanotech. Cities hummed with tech. Protests flared over mandates. By 2021, symptoms matched radiation sickness. Elders hit hard, kids spared. From fringe blogs to global whispers, graphene oxide wasn't just science. It was a health crisis call. Detox protocols sprang up, glutathione, EMF shields. History turned as fear met hope, a battle to reclaim well-being from an unseen foe. By 2021, graphene oxide's shadow loomed large, cemented by March 2, 2025, as a health menace in fringe circles. Labs claimed it spiked with 5G's EMF rollout from 2019, oxidizing fast in bodies. History notes its rise. Vaccines, masks, swabs, DARPA hydrogels, allegedly laced with it, unproven by science. Picture cities pulsing with signals, chemtrails dusting air, water tainted. Advocates tied it to COVID, cytokine storms, lung scars, mirroring radiation sickness. Elders fell, low on defenses, kids, robust, stood firm. No hard evidence, yet voices grew. Graphene's in food, tracking us via nanotech. Labs animated its assault. Cells overrun, immunity shattered. News hinted at 5G hotspots matching outbreaks, fueling debate. From 2021's whispers to 2025's clamor, it wasn't just a toxin, it was a crisis named. Detox loomed as the fix. Counter this silent invader, history shifted, fear sparked a fight to reclaim health from a contested threat. Glutathione, forged from glycine, cysteine and glutamic acid, has guarded health since its biochemical dawn. Vital by March 2, 2025, history traces it to the liver, building tissues, boosting immunity, our natural shield. In 2021, graphene oxide's rise challenged it, oxidizing under EMF, overwhelming this reserve. Picture 5G's pulse, graphene surges, glutathione falls, sparking cytokine storms dubbed COVID. Elders with levels dropping past 65 suffered. Kids, brimming with it, thrived. Pre-2020 science knew its power. 2021 tied its loss to disease mimics. Diabetes, obesity hit hard. Labs animated the clash. Graphene outpaces, immunity crumbles. Detox emerged, boost glutathione with supplements, a historical count. By 2025, pills flood homes, restoring balance. Cells glow anew, health rebounds. From early studies to today's fight, glutathione's legacy shines. A protector against a modern foe, offering hope to heal what graphene disrupts. Electromagnetic frequencies, EMF, weave into graphene oxide's tale. Peaking by March 2, 2025, history marks 2019's 5G rollout, broad-spectrum waves pulsing cities. By 2021, fringe claims tied it to graphene in vaccines, hydrogels from DARPA patents, activated by EMF's absorption band. Picture phones, routers, towers, EMF everywhere, oxidizing graphene fast. Labs saw it. Frequencies hit, graphene multiplies. Overwhelming glutathione, sparking COVID symptoms. No mainstream proof, but 5G zones matched outbreaks, fueling 2020's debate. Hydrogels in shots, swabs, masks, allegedly track via nanotech. Stretchy, responsive to EMF. History shifts. Pre-2019, EMF was progress. Post-2021, it's peril. Scientists animate the chaos. Cytokine storms in hours. From tech's rise to health's fight, EMF isn't benign. It's a trigger, claim advocates. Detox counters this. Shield the waves, heal the harm. a saga of innovation turned threat unfolds. By March 2, 2025, detox protocols bloom from 2021's graphene scare. History roots in glutathione supplements flood homes, lifting immunity against EMF spike graphene. Picture pills piling up, rebuilding our shield. Then, EMF countermeasures revive Wilhelm Reich's 1930s orgone steel and organic layers trapping cosmic energy. By 2021, it's iron oxide shungite, resin harmonizers, softening 5G's bite. Labs craft these. Homes ditch Wi-Fi. Smart meters, Reich's legacy. Healthier blood, plants. Echoes in 2020's tests promising vitality. No hard science crowns it, but benefits shine. Fatigue fades, lungs clear, elders thrive. Animation shows cells glowing blue. Cytokine storms hushed. From 1930s theory to 2025 practice, detox blends old and new. Supplements restore, orgone shields, history turns. Graphene's threat meets a fight back, not cure but renewal. A global push reclaims health, proving resilience over silent harm. History meets evidence by March 2, 2025, tracing Wilhelm Reich's 1931 blood tests to 2021 slides graphene fight. In 2020, Heraclitus Labs revived Reich, control blood decayed at 50%, spiky acanthocytes bursting, orgone box, blood held at 5%, haloed in blue orgone energy. Fast forward, Dr. Robert Young's 2021 slides mirror this, laming graphene oxide and EMF for corona effect spikes, cells dying fast. No mainstream nod but visuals align. Graphene's nanotech pierces, mimicking Reich's Bion's. Orgone slows it, preserving life force. Tests from the 1930s to 2020s show health benefits starkly. Blood glows, fatigue lifts, proving detox's might. Reich's vision, cosmic energy heals, resonates as 2025 labs see vitality rise. From decades past to now, this isn't cure, it's protection. Shielding cells from graphene's toll, history's thread weaves proof. Orgone and glutathione turn a threat into renewal, a cellular win. By March 2, 2025, a detox legacy rises from 2021's graphene oxide fears. History turns triumph. Homes stock glutathione, orgone harmonizers hum, EMF fades, labs refine protocols, supplements flood lives, shields tame 5G's pulse, picture elders strong, kids free of harm, cells shedding, graphene spikes for blue vitality. From 2021's alarm, vaccines air food tainted, sprouts a health boon, glutathione rebuilds immunity, orgone softens waves. Unproven by mainstream, yet results gleam. Energy returns, lungs heal. Cities unplug smart grids. Homes embrace Reich's 1930s gift. Blood tests echo it. Decay halts, life soars. History arcs from threat to victory. Global hands craft tools, share hope. This isn't just survival, it's renewal, reversing graphene's shadow. Earth breathes easier as detox wins. Not a cure, but a reclaiming. From a decade's fight, a future shines, health restored, humanity resilient against an unseen foe. Here at the Halcyon Codex Report, we strive for transparency in humanity's health and wellness by hitting the like and subscribe button. It assures your algorithm alloys with our policy and continues to bring helpful topics like this